Welcome to this Yoga Nidra meditation focused on financial abundance. May you find a quiet space where you can lie down comfortably without any interruptions. Position yourself into Shavasana. Your legs are slightly apart, arms resting by your sides with palms facing upwards. If needed, you might place a blanket under your head or use a bolster under your knees for extra comfort. If you have an eye pillow, you can place it over your eyes to block out any light. Take a moment to make any adjustments necessary to ensure your body feels fully supported and relaxed. Close your eyes, taking a deep breath in, and exhale slowly. As you settle deeper into the pose, bring to mind a short, positive affirmation related to financial abundance. It could be something like, I effortlessly attract financial prosperity. Or, abundance flows easily to me. Once you have your intention, repeat it silently to yourself 3 times, embedding it deeply into your consciousness. Now, we will begin the rotation of consciousness. Bring your attention to your right foot. Feel each toe, the sole of the foot, the heel. Move up to the right ankle, calf, knee, and thigh. Now shift your awareness to your left foot. Feel each part of your left leg, gradually moving your attention upwards. Toe, the sole of the foot, the heel. Left ankle, calf, knee, and thigh. We'll shift the attention to the pelvis, abdomen, chest. Feel the rhythm of your heartbeat. Now to your right arm, shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, hand. Each finger on the right hand. Then to your left arm, shoulder, upper arm, elbow, forearm, wrist, hand, and each finger on the left hand. Bring your awareness to your neck, the muscles of your face, and the top of your head. Feel the entire body as a whole, pulsating, alive with energy. You might gently shift your attention to your breath. Without changing its rhythm, simply observe its flow. Feel the cool air entering through your nostrils, filling your lungs, and the warm air leaving your body. With each exhale, imagine releasing any blocks or restrictions to financial abundance. And with each inhale, imagine drawing in prosperity and wealth. As you breathe here, You might begin to imagine a golden light at the center of your chest, radiating warmth and comfort. This light represents your relationship with money and abundance. As you focus on it, you may become aware of different emotions, perhaps contentment, anticipation, or even past anxieties. Without judgment, allow any feelings to surface. Imagine them being embraced and transformed by this golden light, making space for positive experiences with wealth and prosperity. Envision yourself standing at the base of a grand, flourishing mountain. This mountain symbolizes wealth, stability, and abundance. As you start your ascent, you notice that the path is lined with shimmering gold coins and jewels. These represent opportunities, wise decisions, and fruitful endeavors. As you climb higher, you feel more empowered, confident, and assured of your financial well-being. With each step, you feel more aligned with the energy of prosperity. As you reach the summit, you take a moment to look around and internalize the boundless abundance that surrounds you. You carry this feeling deep within your heart, knowing that this abundance is always available to you. You might bring your awareness back to the intention you set at the beginning of this session. Repeat your intention silently to yourself 3 more times, allowing its essence to permeate every cell of your being, rooting deeply in your subconscious mind. I invite you to become aware of the room around you. Slowly wiggle your fingers and toes. Maybe roll your wrists and ankles. As you breathe in, take a long stretch, reaching your arms above your head and pointing your toes. Whenever you feel ready, roll onto your right side and gently push yourself up to a seated position. Open your eyes and take a moment of gratitude for this journey into abundance. Remember, the universe is abundant and you are part of that universe. Prosperity is your birthright. Carry this feeling with you throughout your day and beyond.